Top 5 Best Electric Nail Guns in 2024.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. Cordless Electric 2-in-1 Nailer. This nailing machine is easy to use, support both straight nails and N-shaped nails, improve the flexibility of the use of the machine, improve work efficiency. High-power copper wire motor with surging power and strong penetration, fast continuous nailing, and long motor lifespan. High-strength alloy nozzle and nail cartridge, spring snap positioning, installation fixing, nailing, one machine control, improve operating efficiency. Suitable for home decoration, water pipe installation, woodworking, cabinet refurbishment, ceiling fixing, frame building, and so on. Features: convenient to carry, support both straight nails and N-shaped nails, improve the flexibility of the use of the machine, improve work efficiency. High-power copper wire motor with surging power and strong penetration, fast continuous nailing, long motor lifespan, not easy to burn the machine. High-strength alloy nozzle and nail cartridge, spring snap positioning, installation fixing, nailing, one machine control, improve operating efficiency. Wireless design with strong penetration, one button out of the nail, easy to drive nails, not stuck nails. Hit the nail completely, easy to penetrate a variety of hardwood. Ergonomic soft rubber handle, anti-slip design, comfortable grip, long time use without tired hands. With LED light, you can work normally even in dim or dusty areas, improving your work efficiency. Wide applications suitable for home decoration, water pipe installation, woodworking, cabinet refurbishment, ceiling fixing, frame building, and so on. Number 5. 18-gauge, cordless rechargeable nail gun stapler. Stright nail features. Unmatched versatility and performance. The 2-in-1 cordless nail and staple gun is a versatile tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its compatibility with 18-volt Makita batteries, this nail gun ensures a reliable and consistent performance. The Japan quality match with Makita guarantees durability and longevity, making it an ideal choice for renovation teams and those who demand the best in their tools. The fast speed of up to 100 nails per minute allows for efficient and quick work, making it perfect for tasks that require precision and speed. Designed for the professional, this nail gun is not just a tool. It's a partner for your renovation project. The double firing mode, which includes single and contact firing, provides flexibility in your work. The LED working light and LED indicator light ensure that you can work in low light conditions, while the in-tool air compressor offers the power of a pneumatic tool without the need for an external compressor. The included components, such as the carry case, hex wrench, user manual, and nails, ensure that you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. Reliable and user-friendly. Safety is paramount with this nail gun, featuring a pull-trigger mechanism that delivers nails and staples with precision. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, making it an essential tool for any renovation team. A 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, including a 24-hour response time, provide peace of mind for users. Whether you're tackling trim work, roofing, or siding, this cordless trim nail gun is the reliable companion you need to get the job done right.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.